said brother.
Put it down, fat ass.
I'm switch on Tuesday.
Where you get the air, baby, doggy?
Who better switch on Tuesday?
See, you
That's
got
my
me.
CEO.
We ain't get them new clocks. It's your boy Casey, man. Team Rock It Up. Breakfast Club up. You already know. Everybody, boy. Brooklyn, Flatbush.
Flatbush.
Ain't y'all coming around? You got them new clocks that
I know nigga piece of somebody who
Oh, we on Jeopardy. We on Jeopardy. Damn, 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 damn. Okay, we're here on Jeopardy. We have three contestants. We have three contestants. Dark Light, Grass Movement, DK. First question goes to DK. DK, in a recent song, where did the artist say, where did you get the new Clarks and the Daddy? Is it A, Jamaica, B, Flatbush, C, your mother, D, your house?
Or none of the above.
Yo, that nigga's getting none of the above.
Yo, chill.
None of the above because your mother not Jamaican, but she's from Flatbush.
Next.
Next.
Boom.
Question, please.
DK got a bad man.
That's the question.
Where does DK live? Is it A, the air temple, B, his house, C, a garage, D, a garage?
Holy moly, donut shot.
Oh my god.
Niggas be hitting their head out here, boys.
Y'all wanna hear a bitch scream? Y'all wanna hear a bitch scream?
I know, I already know it.
Somebody punch me.
Yeah, man.
What you talking about?
Niggas see DK like, damn, homie. If it was me, it was the rain.
Damn, homie.
That's his real face.
And then like, he like Clifford.
that raggedy nigga who think that
Rocket Full when I pull.
Nigga DK look like Caillou.
How you like full of cancer?
Yo, nigga, a ninja slice your face, boy. Nigga,
This is the remix. Let's go.
come on.
I don't see no
You're not
slice.
sitting in the corner by yourself. I'm sitting
No
in
slice.
the corner. Ain't nothing like singing that song when you're sitting in the corner.
Why don't y'all come in
In the corner.
Let me do it.
Oh.
I got my gray bottom now. My grip is touching on the ground. I must be here. Wow. My coat is smelling kind of foul.
Wow.
So why you knocking on my door?
Knocking on my door.
You know that I'm fucking poor.
I'm fucking poor.
And I don't wanna be here.
Don't wanna be here.
I had diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
And now I got kicked out my house. My girl touched me in my mouth.
Diarrhea.
I'm so crying. I'm fucking crying. I feel like I should die and I'm sitting in the corner.
In the corner.
I know you busy with the remix.
tell you to sing it.
Now you better.
You know.
How you want to battle when you look like that?
Avatar's up.
I'm about to do bad.
DK. Avatar's up.
Avatar's up, you already know. Facts is DK, Captain Avatars.
Crip and the dog.
Oh, facts. In February, no matter of fact, next week we having an Avatar.
Out of here, Avatar's up.
Facts is we having an Avatar size recognition movie day.
That's it, DK Whack. DK Whack.
Yo. I made that up.
Facts is, when I stop doing my trend.
DK is whack. DK is whack. It's over. DK
I'm
is
totally
whack.
boosting my
You lost the
team.
grams. It's over. Don't touch me.
See, I'm not violent. I'm not trying to violent. Shout out to
He
my
is whack.
Shout out to my
Oh my
CEO.
God, he is whack, my nigger.
Oh, it's Utica Ave, yo. Niggas on the Ave. Utica.
Nah, fuck with you, boy. You just did.
I was gonna give you fuck anyway, fat fuck. I was gonna violate you.
Now, open mother got to take a person.
Alright, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, boy.
Yo, Brad.
I'm gonna get it off. You should let this man work. Alright, Brad.
Alright, boy.
Nah, boy.
I thought Brad was dead staying on the train. I'm like, boy, you